Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Amber's Language, Music and Play. So this video is a new recording of some background information to my song Oh, j'aime me promener sur la plage, which is my French version of the English song Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. So this is some French lyrics that I've set to a traditional English tune, and I've changed the lyrics so that they're to do with the things that children enjoy doing on the beach. So you can find the song in a separate video, and usually when I teach this song with children, I mime it. Today I'm going to just talk you through some signs that you can do along with it, instead of a mime, just to teach you some signs along with the French that you can use in other contexts. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it gets you learning all about the seaside and the beach. So first of all then, we have oh, so just oh, oh. Okay, and I'm just drawing a circle with my hand. Oh, j'aime, I like. Oh, j'aime me promener. That means to go for a walk, think of it as promenade, have a lovely walk rather than going on foot somewhere. So just going for a walk for the enjoyment of it. Oh, j'aime me promener on la plage, the beach, and I'm patting down the sand with my hands. Oh, j'aime me promener sur la plage. And then we go back to oh again. J'aime, I like. Regarder, to look at. La belle, the beautiful. Mer, the beautiful sea. Oh, j'aime regarder la belle mer. I'm just making some waves with my hands for the sea. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is build a sandcastle. Oh, j'aime faire, which is make or do. Oh, j'aime faire des châteaux. So I'm taking my fingers like that and I'm doing a picture of a castle. Oh, j'aime faire des châteaux de sable. Literally castles of sand, sand castles. Oh, j'aime faire des châteaux de sable. Puis, then next, puis voir, see, les vagues, the waves. Puis voir les vagues quand elles, when they, les démolissent, when they demolish them. Puis voir les vagues quand elles les démolissent. So I'm just showing the sandcastle disappearing there. And then we go back to the same lyric, which is repeated twice, which is oh, j'aime me promener sur la plage. We do that twice. And then we do the oh, j'aime regarder la belle mer. And then we go back to j'aime me promener sur la plage. J'aime me promener sur la plage. Because, la plage, the beach. Parce que la plage, comme elle est belle. How beautiful it is. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I hope it encourages you to have a go at singing the song too. Au revoir.